Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the very nutritious and delicious aloo methi which you can enjoy with rotis or rice. Research suggests that methi or fenugreek leaves helps to reduce cholesterol and curb diabetes and give you long lustrous hair and glowing skin too. And it's very good for women suffering from polycystic ovaries. So try to include these magical leaves in your diet at least once in a week. Friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get started. Take a pan and add quarter cup of mustard oil. Don't skip mustard oil for this recipe. This gives a very good flavor and this will make the dish very unique. Now once the oil gets heated, add 250 grams of diced potatoes. Wash them thoroughly and pat dry them so that they turn crispy also. Crispy outside and soft inside. Now once they are done, you can remove from the oil and to the same oil add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 green chillies and add quarter cup of chopped onion and saute the onion until they turn golden brown in color. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and roast them over a slow flame. Now to this add 1 medium sized tomato, dice them and add and cook them till they turn soft and mushy. Now to this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do this over a slow flame. Now you can add the fried potatoes. Now cook over a slow flame. Now these are methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. 250 grams I have taken. Wash them thoroughly and drain them with a colander. Now add them to this and cook them. You can cook them over a high flame but cover them and cook. You don't have to add water. The water present in the methi leaves will cook the entire thing. Keep on stirring. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt or you can add salt according to your taste. And while frying the potatoes I did not add salt. Now cover and cook for some time. You can see they've been almost cooked. You can just sprinkle a little water if you want and don't add too much of water. Now you can see the aloo and the methi, everything has been cooked well. You can just check the potatoes have been beautifully and perfectly cooked. Now you can switch off the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and to this add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splatter. Now add dry red chillies to them. This is the final tempering which is very important. This will add very good flavor. Now add half small size onion. I've just cut them like petals. Add them and saute them. To this add 1 small diced tomatoes. Just saute for a while. Not too much of sauteing is necessary. Just 1 or 2 minutes will do. Now add them to the aloo methi. Now a super nutritious and delicious aloo methi is ready to be served. Friends, please try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments box. Thank you.